Welcome home.
Oh, thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers. You know, I don't know if I've told you, but you're a lot prettier than my cellmate.
Well, I should hope so.
Then again, he doesn't snore.
I don't snore.
Well, how would you know? You're asleep when you're doing it. Well, I don't mind it. In fact, I love it. I missed it. I especially missed feeling your body next to mine. Snoring home.
Turn around.
Oh.
You're so tired.
Well, it's been a hell of a day.
You know, I think that you would be a lot better marrying the girl next door.
The girl next door has a mustache.
She doesn't have the family problems I do. Only shave.
Hey, baby, listen. I want you to get something straight. I'm leaving the force because the system ain't working. That's the only reason. It's not going to work as long as Keith is the DA.
But you love being a cop.
But I love you a lot more. Besides, I'm not giving up my work. I'm still going to try to do right by Kelly. It'll just be easier, I think, without a badge to wave again.
I love you.
You know, through this whole thing, I've come to see you in a new light.
What's that?
I think it would be more fun to show you than to try to explain. Besides, as much as I love your family, I'm sick of talking about them.
Prison's changed you, Castillo.
Well, you know, doing time teaches you not to waste it. And the only cap well I want to concentrate on right now is right here. Here. And let's not forget about down here.